In this video, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 from the official Microsoft website. To do that, open your web browser and on the address bar type Office Customization 2. Click on this first one. Here you make sure you select the architecture of your PC. For me, it is 64-bit. Now scroll down and click on this Office suite. Select Microsoft 365 app for Enterprise. Now you scroll down. Select the apps you want to be included in this installation, and anyone you do not want, you can do well to uncheck it. For instance, if you do not need this particular Outlook, you can do well to click on it to uncheck it. Now, having selected the ones you need, you click on Next. Now, make sure you select the language you want this application to be. Click on English United States. Now, click on Next. Now, click on Next. Click on this to uncheck it. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Now click on Finish. After this, click on Export to export this customization to. On this, you click on Office Open XML format. Now click on OK. Click on these terms to accept the license agreement. Now click on Export. This will be exported to your PC. Having done that, go back to your browser and type Office Deployment 2. Now click on this very first one. Here we are going to download the Office Deployment 2 for this installation. Click on this. With this will be downloaded to your PC. Now you can see the Office Deployment 2 is downloaded. Now you can just do well to create a new folder here and name it MS Office 365. Take this configuration and add it here. Now you right click on this and run it as administrator. Click here to accept the Microsoft license term, then click on Continue. Select the very folder that we've created. On this, you just need to scroll down and click on this PC, and then click on this folder that we've created. Now you click on OK. This will be extracted to this very folder that we've created. You can see that. Now go back, copy this folder, or you cut it, go over to your C drive, then here you can just do well to paste this on this C drive. Now, having done that, the next thing you need to do is to open your command prompt, CMD, and run it as administrator. Now here you just type CD and copy the folder part of this particular folder that we placed in the C drive. Then you paste it here. Then press your enter. This loads to that particular folder that we've created. Here now you are going to type setup.exe space / configure space configuration.xml. Then you press your enter. This will now begin to install in our PC. Make sure your network is strong for this installation to be done. You can see that the installation is done. Now you click on Close. On this command prompt, type Exit to close the windows. You can just minimize this. Let's go and check what we've installed. On this search bar, if you go here and type Word, you can see that Word is already installed here. If you go and type Excel, You can see Excel is already there. If you also go and type, say, PowerPoint, you can see all of these things that are installed in this PC. And so this is just the simple way you can download and install Microsoft Office 365 on your PC direct from the official website of Microsoft. And so this installation is not a cracked version. It has no negative effect on your system. Please do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.